Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to make a series on Adobe Premiere Pro from beginner to master. This is episode 1, how to create a project. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open your Premiere Pro. If you don't have Adobe Premiere Pro editing software, download link in the description. Go to new project and give your project name. Then come to browse. Now select your hard drive and create a project folder. Select folder. Come to scratch disk. Leave this page as default and hit OK. This is my workspace, but when you open first time Premiere Pro, this kind of interface will come up. This is source window, this is program window, this is timeline window, and this is project window. Now import your footage here by Ctrl or Command I or right click. Select your footage and open. This is your list view, this is your icon view. Come here. From here, you can arrange your footage by label, by name or media type, anything else. From here, you can create a new bin or right click here and you can create a new bin from here also. Now select your footage and drag and drop on the timeline. If you create your sequence in this way, your sequence will be created as per your footage setting. Or you can come here and right click, new item and create a new sequence. Give your sequence name and leave the other setting as it is. Hit OK. Now if you drag and drop your footage here, this pop-up window will come up. Click here. You can decrease or increase your timeline size by plus or minus. Now this is your sequence, 23.976 fps, and your footage also have 23.976 fps. Check the other settings. See, the video resolution is 1280 by 720 and your sequence also have a resolution 1280 by 720. That's it for this video. We are done for this episode. I see you in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button because lots more to comes up.